Everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rush Truck Center, Greeley, Colorado. YouTube channel's Rocky Mountain Peterbilt. Got a 2019 Peterbilt 567 set forward front axle, 58-inch flat top sleeper. It's a premier interior, so it's not the Platinum, but it's not the Prestige. It's kind of in the middle. Cummins X15, 565 horsepower. 18-speed Eaton Ultra-Shift, so it's an automated shift transmission in this one as well, but we don't see many of those in an 18-speed. This one was ordered in for a customer, and he decided at the last minute he didn't want it, and we couldn't stop it, so here it is. Viper red with Viper red frame, so I really like it. It's a good looking truck. It's not exactly the way I'd have built it, but it's pretty close. But let's take a closer look at it. It did bling it up a little bit. Put those little grates on there. Looks a little nicer. And this is what you call red. Absolutely bright red. It's a beautiful truck. We might paint the back of the headlights to match. No fairings or anything. Polished out the tanks. Got an 80-gallon tank on this side with a medium depth tank. Look in the sleeper. These 58-inch sleepers are very nice. A lot more room than you think. Got a rear window, deep tint, back of sleeper CB antenna, a couple of load lights. I'd have added a few more personally, but that's all we wanted. Viper red frame, polished tanks, polished step, with the frame rail, catwalk there. Bright red frame, and we bolted the frame, as you can see here. So if you want to add accessories and things, it's very easy to unbolt it and then rebolt it. He was going to do full fenders, so we did the lower cost quarter fenders, so you get the brackets there to mount everything. So we may still do that. 11R 22.5 tires, and oh, we forgot a hubcap on this one, or it fell off. 355 gears on this one, with an 18-speed Eaton Ultra-Shift and disc brakes all the way around. This was going to be going to haul dirt, so it's kind of set up that way, but it'll do about anything. Over here we got a 120-gallon tank, and we have 50 gallons of hydraulic fluid in the front, 70 gallons of diesel in the rear. So it's all set up ready to go for a wet kit. You can plumb right into that tank. Very nicely polished. Just absolutely beautiful truck. I mean, boy, this thing pops. Take a look at the there we go. Take a look at the motor. Cummins X15, 565 horsepower, 1850 torque. And that's the nice thing with the frame paint. Everything's red. Disc brakes in the front. Just good looking truck. I'd like to kind of red this one out, but I think I'm going to pick a different truck to do that on. Just red everything out. Davco fuel filter. Good looking truck. It's kind of cool when the engine, frame, and cab, everything matches. You look from the front. It's a good looking truck. Take you inside and show you the premier interior. Real nice door panels. And see if we did Sears seats in these, black leather seats. Got minimizer floor mats in it. And this one has well, I think detail boys, when they parked it here, didn't get it in the right gear, so see if she'll start. Right, there we go. So how see, there's no shifter here on this one with the Eaton Ultra-Shift. It's just nice and wide open in here. Some air in here. It is hot today. The extra gauges. And then let's see if we can show you how this works here. Put your foot on the brake. Get it down there. And then you rotate it forward. And you go into drive. And it just picks a gear. It's low and base shifting. Neutral. Reverse. So that's it. It's really, really simple. And then your Jake is off. First stage, second stage, third stage. So all your main controls are right on that stalk right there. So really nice. That's neutral. So absolutely gorgeous truck. CB in it. Great visibility all the way around. Get the steering wheel controls. And tons of room, even with these Sears seats in them. 389s, this gets a little narrow. Here's the 58-inch sleeper. Got some storage up top. And normally we put the little fridge right there, but he didn't want it. So like I said, that's something I would have changed. This little riding surface storage. And the AC, this does not have an S-bar heater. Just a digital alarm clock, and this has got the AC controls back here and everything. So you look out the back there, and there's a cover for that window. So just thought I'd show you this one. Nice wide cab, a little less room than like a 579 with the 80-inch sleeper, obviously. But just a really, really good looking truck. Should make somebody a nice truck. 18-speed Eaton Ultra-Shift in this one. So just thought I'd share it with you. It's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Just give me a call, 970-691-3877. Thanks for watching.